cranking away. This is what about 40 minutes of not caring about anything looks like. A lot roomier in here now. All right, we've made a mess. Getting there. Chris is hacking away. Chopping a bunch of wiring out. Pretty cool. There's so much giant wiring in this thing. All right. Still a lot to go. Chris just used his fun little window cutter outer. That was pretty easy. We got the front and rear glass out and most of the other bits. So we're cruising tonight. And we also got a bunch of new parts, so let's check those out. We got these brackets from Seems Legit Garage. These are going to mount the new handbrake calipers. Got some fresh Willwood calipers, bunch of lines. I have all of these parts just piling up. Most of these are for Tramp. There's some, we got some LS head gaskets. We're going to need to put that on the car. We got some roll bar clamps. There's a window net. We're going to need that. Oh, these are clutch lines for the LFX cars. Rest of the window net stuff. Got an LS fuel filter / pressure regulator. We'll just replace the BMW one that's in there with this one. Should be good. Hopefully one of these Walbro 255s is enough. Also got some track spec hood vents. All right, motor parts. Got your push rods, got your head bolt set, got some lifters, got some rockers in. Ooh, let's open these. Got a pair of these Trick Flow 220 heads, LS1 style, so hopefully that'll spice up that old motor a little bit. Ooh, fresh camshaft. Hopefully a lot lumpier than what's in there right now. And a fresh harness from Sparco. Got some seat rails, VAC seat rails. The box from Turner showed up. Should be all of the rear suspension. Control arms, bushings, subframe bushings, basically solid mount for everything. And all those parts gonna go on this M3 rear end that I bought. Got a ram clutch and a center force flywheel. Got some bumpers. Probably put those hood vents in this M3 hood. Got the T56 Magnum in. Pretty excited about that. We Summit stocks a bunch of these. Got a drive shaft in from PST. Got a bell housing in. Pretty sure I need to find some bolts though. Got this Turn 1 steering pump built for BMWs. Super excited about that. Need all the pump for the drift car. Yeah, well, put this to work. One of those that's seen on TV moments. Alright, we are at full capacity today. Amanda is going to take care of all these doors. It's not too bad stripping a couple doors, but you gotta do all four now.
Well, at least I don't have to be nice to anything. Rip it out.
Oh, poor stuff. I have been playing with the dry ice, and I'm getting there. Got all that bit out. Got some of that bit out. I don't know how to get up on these sides though. I might have to be the old school way of doing it. All this is gone now. Ooh, so much room for activities. Pretty much copied what we did on the E46. Of course, we haven't been working that long. This is our morning project. This contraption will hold the dock at the new lake house. All right. All right, Chris knocked all these last three out. Good work. got good at it at the end. Got the last hinge to put on here. Immediately, factory BMW doors come with removable hinges. I'll throw that bad boy on there. The last one. Oh, still gotta do the trunk and the hood. There you go. Perfect. 4 doors. Alright, so we got that. I've got a base plate plasma out, at least something to test. I'll get the other ones going. There's a lot of insulation to remove and clean. Alright, time for cleanup. All right, well, we got things pretty wrapped up and pretty cleaned up, so hopefully that'll be good progress for this weekend. So I'm really excited. We've got all kinds of cool parts coming in. Really excited to actually build a drift car from the ground up. I know how far we can go, and unfortunately we don't have time to do everything that you're allowed to do for a Pro-Am car, but we're gonna do the best we can, and we're gonna have fun doing it. So thanks for sticking around. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.